high-tech pet door. If you're having issues with your collar, you know, you put it close, it doesn't open. See, my dog is anxious to go out. You have new batteries, you know, you could check it by doing this. You know, press the button. Did you notice? The door opened. You put it next to it, it doesn't work. But if you press that button, it works. So it's not the door itself, it's the collar. And this is a brand new collar, brand new battery. I don't know why it's doing that. I have to open it up and I'll let you know what I find. So I found out my issue. When I replaced the battery on this little piece right here, you can't see it in the camera, but that's where the screw goes. I didn't put the screw back in. I thought maybe I didn't need it. But if I squeeze where the screw is, not the button, just where the screw is, it opens. Which tells me that this collar is not tight enough to hold the battery against the contacts. So you need to put that screw back in there. Make sure it's snapped in all the way so it has contact. That way it can communicate with the sensor. I hope this is something that can help you if you have this issue. Thanks for watching. Well, I lost that little screw, so to give it some more pressure against the battery, I just got a piece of cardboard. I just lay it in there just to give it some thickness. Then I replace the cover. Let's put it right. Try and do it with one hand. Snap it in. Okay. Now it's nice and tight. No screw, but now it has more pressure against the battery because I put that little piece of cardboard. Let's see how it works. Yep, it opened up already. I'm gonna put it behind my back. Closes. I'm gonna take it out again. There you go. Hope this is something that can help you out. Thanks for watching.